What up, YouTube? Frank or the Boss here. Here's part 2 of the 06-07 Trademark Moves basketball box. This is a hobby box, and I just finished part 1. The autos were a Chris Bosh level 2 autograph and a Marshall Webster level 2 autograph, both numbered to 149. And I'm pulling a bunch of those Redwood cards, so I'm pretty pleased with that. And alright, here we go. Caron Butler, Earl Monroe number 2, 299. A Larry Bird trademark swish, a Ben Gordon, and Ray Allen. Okay, so basically there's a numbered card, I believe, in every pack, which is pretty good. And I think you get a lot of value from every pack. Spud Webb, Martell Webster rookie, right? Is it a rookie? I'm not sure. Oh, nice! A Shaq level 1 autograph. Sick. Number 2, 75. 9 of 75. Sweet. I got a Chris Bosh, a Martell Webster, and a Shaq autograph. This is really rare. Shaq doesn't sign up much. And wow, this is a sick card, MOJO. Dang. Alright, sweet. Paul Gasol, Bobby Simmons. Okay. Let's keep going here. Okay. Marcus Camby, Sam Cassell Rainbow, number 2, 149. Emeka Okafor, trademark dunk, number 299. Rashard Lewis and Bob Lehner. Sweet, I got a Shaq auto, which I'm very, very pleased with. I think that looks a lot. So I have one more auto left. Vince Carter, Karl Malone, Ronaldo Balkman, trademark dunk, Jermaine O'Neal, and Tony Parker. Alright. So I got a Shaq auto, which is MOJO. Nice, okay. Baron Davis, Tyson Chandler, trademark swish of Maurice Ager, Dirk Nowitzki, and Joe Johnson. So I'm very pleased with this box. I'm glad I got it. Yeah. Amari Stoudemire, Sam Cassell, trademark swish of Quincy Doobie, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, and Tim Duncan. So one more auto left. We shall see what we get. Okay. Danny Granger, Chris Bosh, trademark dish of Chris Duhon, Ricky Davis, and Corey Maggette. Okay. Sean Marion, Moses Malone, Hakeem Warwick, trademark dunk, Jason Terry, Michael Redd. Last pack. Here's the auto. Sweet. Alright. Whatever I get here is icing on the cake. And alright, here goes Darren Williams, Paul Pierce, Jarrett Jack, signature dish level 2 rookie auto, number 2, 149. Okay. Alright. On our test, and Gilbert Arenas. Alright, so I got a Shaq auto, a Chris Bosh auto, a Jarrett Jack auto, and a Martell Webster auto. Alright, thanks for watching, folks, and alright, peace.